Hello. Oh. Saints Row the Third. That might be too loud. And I'm going to do Horde mode right now. Single player. But yeah, this might be a one-off video, I'm not sure right now. Focus. Focus. No focusing. Learn to focus your camera. Right, I apologise for the focus right now. It's a bit crap. There we go. Just loading. Loading. There we go. And I will go. I'll take Angel's Casino and I'll play as Robert. Single player. There we go. Horde mode. Oh, for fucking hell. The loading screen doesn't like to be in focus, does it? There it goes. Okay. Hammer time. Oh. Right. Here they come. Oh god, they've got guns. This isn't fair. Whoa. God, what is this Thor's hammer? There we go.